What is up, you guys? It's your favorite cutie Mel here, and I just want to give you guys a 3-month lock update. So my hair is pretty cute right now, so I'm not going to take it down, but the good thing is that you can really see my roots and stuff in the back. So we're just going to talk about the update real quick. So just get a little closer. This is my 3 months. I just did a retwist. I think it was almost a week ago. But, you know, let's see. I just love the texture of, ooh, my bad, y'all. Rocking the boat. I love the texture of my locks, and I'm just excited for them to continue to grow, but I'm not, honestly. I decided that I'm not going to be sitting through my whole lock journey wishing that my hair was longer, because eventually it will be, and I'm sure there'll be styles that I wish that I could do the same way or whatever, so I'm just embracing it. My hair has been in this up and down for a couple of days. I just have been leaving it alone a lot more. I feel like the only things that have changed a lot maybe is that I don't mess with my hair so much. Like, I don't feel the need to change my hair every single day. I am embracing the middle part more and more every single day. Like, I love just being able to go out as myself, just wearing my hair however it is. Like, I love that. It's just something that I haven't really experienced, and most Black women have never experienced, just being able to really get up and go, do a little shake and go. Like, it's wonderful. I love it. I recently wore a wig over my locks for a show, and I was just like, I could totally still do that. I'm gonna embrace being able to still switch up my look and stuff while my locks are still small. I'm just embracing the journey, because I feel like if you're watching this video and your locks are smaller, embrace the journey, embrace the variety that you have at this time. Like, instead of thinking about how can I get my hair longer, like, enjoy the versatility that comes with every single stage, because every single stage is going to be something different. If one day you want to grow your locks all the way down your back, there'll be some styles that you just can't do comfortably like you used to. So I just am embracing every single step of this, and I'm loving that my hair is basically like in a little bob, like without having to do the little lock bob. I pretty much have a lock bob, and I'm excited for my front to kind of just be a little bit more even with the front. With the back, but for the most part, I'm just loving it. I love my hair. I love the texture of my hair. I love how you can see my texture of my hair and my locks. These are things I never thought about when looking at locks before I decided to go into my journey. I've been maintaining my hair myself, and I think I'm doing a really good job. There is one lock that I'm gonna see how much it thickens up, because I have, I think, maybe 1 or 2 locks that could possibly in the future be combined with the others, but since my hair is not completely done doing what it's doing yet, I'm just leaving it be. Let me see. I'm going to try to bring this closer, so you can see. So, yeah. This is my hair, you guys. I just love it. I think it's so cute. I love it. Like, that's all I can say. I mean, I feel like I don't have a ton of things to say, honestly, for this particular video. I think the only change is I don't really moisturize my hair every single day, and I don't feel bad that I don't, because my hair still, it just always feels so healthy. Like, even right now, I haven't moisturized it probably since I washed it and retwisted it, but it's not dry. Like, I feel like as you go on your own journey, you will know what's best for your hair. Just like I had tried in the beginning to think that I was going to be able to stretch my retwist out for like 6 to 8 weeks, but that's not realistic for me. Realistic for me is getting to a month, because my hair is very fine. So if I don't do that, a lot of my locks will marry so much that it will be extremely difficult for me to do my retwist. It's happened nearly both times. It was worse the time before this retwist. But when it gets to a certain point, I need to coach my hair back into the spiral so that it doesn't attach and that my locks don't like go together. And I think part of that is just because my locks are not mature. So when your locks are not mature, some of your hair comes out of your locks, like a good majority of it, and can just tangle around other hair. And with me, if I wait too long, because my hair is so fine, it can really just be a pain to undo when it's time to do a retwist. Now, if you don't care about that and you want to do a more freeform look, then cool. But for me personally, I really like the sections that I have my hair in. They're not like perfect sections, but it works for me. I love how it is for styling purposes. Like when I need to do a middle part, I have a middle part. When I need to do up and down, for the most part, it's really symmetrical. I don't care that much, but I'm happy with how my locks are going, especially now that I've done it myself. I've maintained myself the whole time. So I really love it. I have no regrets about locking up. I have no regrets about anything, truthfully. I'm just loving and embracing my hair at every stage, and it just feels good. So I'm not going to ramble to you guys for too long. I think I'm just going to end it here. I don't have any, if I do have clips of me after I retwisted my hair freshly, then I will insert them, but I don't think I did it this time. But I'm getting quicker and quicker with the retwist. I think this time it took me about maybe like an hour and 30 minutes, but that's just because, like I said, sometimes some of my locks were getting married a little bit too much, and I just like to take my time because I don't want to feel like I'm just ripping my hair out, because it can feel like that when your hair is really fine. I feel like my hair has shrunk. It's shrunk a little bit, but for the most part, the back is like completely locked already. My back 3 locks are locks. They are not twist. And I just like how my hair is getting frizzier, and they are just progressively looking more and more like locks. A lot of my ends that were like curly are starting to get more blunt. And personally, I know that it's like a trend right now for the hair to be super curly. Like I do have a couple, like, you know, more in the front where it's like curly ends, but I really like the blunt ends. And I don't mind the curly ones either, but I really like the blunt. I love it. I love how it feels. I love how my hair feels happy and healthy. And just to give you guys an update on the little bald spot that I had got that had started all this for me, my hair is growing back. Probably thanks to the very low manipulation that has been happening for these 3 months. So I'm just on my journey, and I will continue to share as long as you guys are interested. So if you guys like these videos, make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in month 4. Okay, as always, stay posh, stay cute. Mwah. You want to follow me, check the links in the description down below, and I will see you guys another day. All right, happy lock journey. If you have locks, if you're new to locks and you watched a million videos like I did when I started, just know it's going to be a great experience. And if for some reason you feel like you're not ready or the lock experience isn't for you, just know that it's not the end of the world. People like cut their locks, people comb them out. You can always change your mind, but it is something that you will learn a lot about yourself and get the experience of just being you, which I think is the best thing about being locked. Okay, bye.